The Miracle of Bird Reproduction, written by David Allen Sibley from Sibley's Birding Basics. Birds, with their vibrant colors and melodious songs, captivate our senses and inspire awe in the natural world. Their ability to soar through the skies seemingly effortlessly adds to their mystique, but perhaps even more remarkable is their remarkable capacity for reproduction. Unlike mammals, which give birth to live young, birds reproduce by laying eggs. These eggs, often beautifully patterned and colored, serve as protective vessels for the developing embryos within. The process of bird reproduction is a complex and fascinating one, involving a delicate dance of courtship, nest building, incubation, and chick rearing. From the moment a female bird lays her first egg to the time her chicks take flight, she embarks on a journey that demands unwavering dedication and care. Understanding the intricacies of this process is essential for any bird enthusiast, especially those considering breeding birds in captivity. The role of the female bird. The female bird plays a pivotal role in the reproductive process. She's responsible for producing eggs, which contain the nutrients and genetic material necessary for the development of her offspring. The egg-laying process begins with the development of follicles in the female bird's ovaries. Each follicle contains an immature egg, or oocyte. As the follicle matures, it accumulates yolk, a nutrient-rich substance that will nourish the developing embryo. Once the follicle is fully mature, the egg is released from the ovary in a process called ovulation. The egg then travels down the oviduct, where it is fertilized if sperm from a male bird is present. The role of the male bird. The male bird's primary role in reproduction is to fertilize the female's eggs. This is accomplished through a process called copulation, in which the male transfers sperm to the female's cloaca, a common opening for the reproductive and excretory systems. In many bird species, males play an active role in courtship and pair bonding. They may perform elaborate displays to attract females, such as singing, dancing, or offering gifts of food. Once a pair bond is formed, the male and female may work together to build a nest, incubate the eggs, and care for their young. The level of involvement from the male varies depending on the species. Breeding birds in captivity. A complex endeavor, breeding birds in captivity is a rewarding but challenging endeavor. It requires a deep understanding of avian biology, behavior, and nutritional needs. Aspiring breeders must be prepared to provide their birds with the specialized care they need to thrive and reproduce successfully. One of the most important factors to consider is the compatibility of the breeding pair. Birds are often very selective when choosing mates, and forcing incompatible birds to breed can lead to stress, aggression, and even injury. Another crucial aspect of captive breeding is creating a suitable environment for the birds. This includes providing ample space, appropriate nesting materials, and a balanced diet that meets their nutritional requirements. Essential tips for aspiring bird breeders. For those new to bird breeding, it's essential to start with a solid foundation of knowledge and preparation. Here are some essential tips to guide aspiring breeders. First, research your species. Before acquiring any birds, thoroughly research the specific needs of the species you intend to breed. Different species have unique dietary, environmental, and social requirements. Next, choose healthy birds. Select birds that are healthy, mature, and compatible. Look for birds that are active, alert, and have bright eyes and clean feathers. Also, provide ample space. Birds need adequate space to move around, exercise, and establish their territories. Overcrowding can lead to stress, aggression, and disease. And finally, offer a balanced diet. A nutritious diet is crucial for breeding success. Provide your birds with a varied diet that includes fresh fruits, vegetables, high-quality seeds, and, if appropriate, insects or other protein sources. Creating the ideal nesting environment. Creating a comfortable and secure nesting environment is crucial for encouraging birds to breed. The type of nest box or nesting site you provide will depend on the species you are breeding. Some birds prefer enclosed nest boxes, while others prefer open nests or platforms. Provide a variety of nesting materials such as grasses, twigs, mosses, and feathers to allow the birds to construct nests to their liking. Place the nest boxes or nesting sites in quiet, undisturbed areas of the aviary or breeding cage. Ensure that the nests are secure and protected from predators and the elements. Ensuring proper nutrition for breeding pairs. Nutrition plays a vital role in breeding success. Breeding birds have increased nutritional needs to support egg production, incubation, and chick rearing. Offer a high-quality, varied diet that includes plenty of calcium-rich foods such as leafy green vegetables, crushed oyster shells, cuttlebone. Vitamin D3 is also essential for calcium absorption, so provide access to natural sunlight or a full-spectrum UV lamp. Increase the protein content of the diet during the breeding season by offering cooked eggs. Mealworms, other live insects always provide fresh, clean water. Recognizing and addressing potential breeding challenges. Even with the best preparation, breeders may encounter challenges during the breeding process. Some common problems include egg binding. This occurs when a female bird is unable to lay an egg that is fully formed in her oviduct. It can be life-threatening and requires immediate veterinary attention. Infertility. Infertility can be caused by a variety of factors, including age, stress, disease, or incompatibility between the breeding pair. Aggression. Some birds can become aggressive during the breeding season, especially if they feel threatened or their territory is compromised. If you notice any signs of illness, injury, or breeding problems, consult an avian veterinarian immediately. Early intervention can often prevent minor issues from escalating into serious health concerns. Common health issues in chicks: prevention and treatment. Chicks are delicate and susceptible to a variety of health problems, especially during their first few weeks of life. Some common chick health issues include splay leg. This condition occurs when a chick's legs are splayed outward, making it difficult or impossible for them to stand or walk. Crop stasis. Crop stasis or slow crop occurs when the crop, a muscular pouch in the esophagus where food is stored before digestion, empties too slowly or not at all. Chilled chicks. Chicks are highly susceptible to chilling, especially during their first week of life. They need to be kept warm and dry to prevent hypothermia. Maintaining a clean and hygienic environment in the brooder or nest box is crucial for preventing the spread of disease. Provide chicks with a balanced diet specially formulated for their nutritional needs. The importance of expert guidance. Breeding birds can be a complex and demanding endeavor, even for experienced aviculturists. Seeking guidance from experienced breeders and avian veterinarians is invaluable. Experienced breeders can offer practical advice on breeding setups, feeding regimens, and chick rearing techniques. Avian veterinarians can provide essential health care, diagnose and treat illnesses, and offer guidance on preventing disease. Joining bird clubs and attending aviculture workshops and seminars can provide opportunities to learn from other breeders, share experiences, and stay up to date on the latest advancements in avian care and breeding. Conclusion. The rewards and responsibilities of bird breeding. Breeding birds in captivity can be an immensely rewarding experience. It allows bird enthusiasts to contribute to the conservation of species, learn about avian behavior and development, and experience the joy of watching chicks hatch and grow. However, bird breeding also comes with significant responsibilities. Breeders must be committed to providing their birds with the highest standard of care, ensuring their well-being and promoting responsible breeding practices. By approaching bird breeding with knowledge, preparation, and a deep respect for these fascinating creatures, we can help ensure the health and well-being of both captive and wild bird populations for generations to come.